Hi guys, this is Suruchi Hirawat. I was actually wondering because of the lockdown, we're all thinking about our businesses, we're all thinking about the money, and we are basically jumping into the conclusion that yes, this is not going to be good, what we are going to do because the demand is going to fall down and everything. And because of this, what is actually happening? We are jumping into so much conclusion, the stress is on. Is this going to be exactly the way we are thinking? Is it really going to show up that way? Maybe, may not be. But it can also be possible that maybe a different reality can show up. We never knew when that we on like this. Anybody never assumed or concluded like, but we did had. So how about not jumping into the conclusion? How about not jumping into other people's points of views? Because when we meet, when we talk about the lockdown, when we talk about the business, there's so many thoughts we come and we agree. So right, this is going to be. We agree and align. What are we doing when we are agreeing and aligning? We are buying their points of views. Maybe, may not be. It's a probability. But why are we jumping and concluding before anything shows up? That's we all doing, irrespective of whatever you produce, whatever you manufacture, whatever your mode of is. We're all worried like maybe this year we'll not make enough money. That's a question playing, but our expenses are not going to stop, but we may not generate money. What we have already done, we have already concluded, we have logged it. And so what exactly is going to create? This is exactly what the future will reveal. And we like, see, I was so right. How much we are so happy for the rightness of a point of view that I was so right of predicting future rather than just changing the possibility. You must be wondering, you all yap, you all talk. But no, I am not kidding. Seriously, when are we in question, when we ask for something different to show up? Something different to show up, which I really don't know in this chaos, in this how that different will show up. But my demand for something different to show up, start a different energy, start something different to start showing up. But we need to have patience because the thing is, we decided today and we expect it to show up tomorrow, and then we discount the thing that it's not working. What if you just take time out of the linearity but start being in question? And when you're asking a question, don't look out for an answer. Because our response for anything is the moment I ask a question, I will look for an answer. What if you don't have to look for an answer? Just follow that awareness. Awareness is very light. So, what do I mean by it? So I would like you to play, or if somebody has figured it out how they're going to do the business out something out of the box, super. How does it get even better than this? But if you are in a stage where you are still thinking, you're still wondering what you need to be, how you need to take your business, and what you need to be and do with your, then I have a question, a tool that you can play and see how it shows up. What beyond this reality revenue stream can I have that I have not considered before? If I allow it, it would actualize a completely different reality for me right now. Everything which doesn't allow me to have that reality, I now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, denounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times. A gazelle, right and wrong, good and important, pop, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. You must be wondering, I will tell you what exactly with the clearing statement. See, clearing statement first. I use the acting statement, which helps us to unlock the energies. The moment I thought about it, I created an energy, and that energy starts creating the seeds, and that starts creating the future possibility for me that I will encounter too. So when I use this clearing statement, right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shots, boys and girls, I go to the thought, the seed, when I agreed and aligned, when I felt stress about money, when I thought my business going to go down from here for another year or two because her future doesn't look very promising. That's the seed, that's the energy we have planted, and that will grow into a complete forest in future. When we use a clearing statement, we go back because I don't remember when I thought about it, when I discussed it, but I had planted that seed. That is the seed that gets that we go back and clear that seed. And if you want to know more, it is a tool from Access Conscious, the site theclearingstatement.com by Dane Heal. There's a YouTube video where he's explained beautifully about this clearing statement, and you can put it. So let's go get back to the tool. What is possible for my business that I do not think is possible? If I allow the possibility, it would actualize a completely different reality. I repeat again, what is possible for my business that I do not think is possible? If I allow the possibility, it would actualize a completely different reality. And everything that doesn't allow me to have that, I now destroy and create it all. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all 9 shots, boys and beyond. You can use the same tool for money. What is possible for me with money that I do not think is possible? If I allow the possibility, it would actualize completely different reality. Everything that is right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all 9 shots, boys and girls. So when I'm talking about this question, you must think, but how will this question help? Because when I'm asking for this question, I am not looking for a standard answer. I'm not looking what I've concluded that the future is going to look like, be like. I'm asking for a question so that something different, something out of the box, something I cannot fathom, something everybody around me cannot fathom. Let that energy, let that opportunity show up. Because I'm so used to doing my business in a certain way. And because of this, I have concluded that this year I'm not going to create more. Maybe not exactly the same, but it may not be the same loss that you have already concluded or considered looking at the market, looking at the situation, looking at the scenario around you. So if you're looking for a different possibility, if you're looking to be completely different with what people are saying, if you would like to create a different reality for yourself, whether people believe it or not, then I would suggest, please listen to this clearing, write it down, ask yourself this question every day, maybe 10 times in a day. And wait, don't look for an answer. Our instinct is to look for an answer. I would suggest don't look for an answer. Let the awareness find you. And believe me, the awareness will find you. It may come in form of thought, image, or some energy that you'll get pulled towards, and you will be like, I can do this. Go with your knowing. It will. And if you feel no, you need to agree and align and buy it, that what everybody is saying, then maybe you will be creating the same reality with everybody is saying. I use this tool in my day-to-day life, and it is different for me. And I know so many people who uses this tool, and it's different for them. So the choice is ours. Am I going to agree and align to the rest of the world, or I'm ready to choose something different which everybody may not agree with me, but I know a different set of possibility, a different set of reality is available. I'm going to choose that. So once again, I will just repeat the tool again. What is possible for me and my business that I do not think is possible? If I allow the possibility, it would actualize a completely different reality. And everything that doesn't allow, I destroy and uncreate at all times a gazillion. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all 9 shots, boys and beyond. And if you're the one who's stressing about money and looking at the accounts and wondering where the money will come up because the banks have stopped giving credits, loans, and there's so many things happening. Every day there's a cut down. It's like people are losing job. So what is possible with my work that I do not think is possible? If I allow the possibility, actualize a completely different reality, this reality with total ease. And everything that doesn't allow me to receive, and have that as my reality, I now destroyed and created all times a gazillion. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all 9 shots, bazillions. The same thing you can use for money. If it feels light, play with it. Don't shuck it because it doesn't match your point of view, doesn't match to the conclusion, doesn't match what people are talking about right now. If you are the one who would like to create a different life for yourself, then this is a tool for you. Play with it. See how it shows up. Ask these questions. See how you feel. Get present to your body when you're asking, is your body feeling expanded? Is your body feeling contracted? What is it for you? Because we all know that something beyond this reality is possible. But the question is, are we willing to choose it? Are we willing to be so different who says, no, I know something different is possible and I will choose it. Whether people agree with you or not, it's your choice. So what will you create is your choice. I leave it with that question. And if you would like to create something different reality, my suggestion, play with it. Bye.